Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn step by step how to allow everyone to see your bio on Telegram web right from your PC. If you've noticed that not everyone can view your profile information, or you just want to make your bio visible to all users, this new update makes it quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your browser. You can log in using your phone number or QR code as usual. Once you're on the main homepage, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines. This is your menu button. Go ahead and click on those lines to open the sidebar. From here, find and select Settings. This takes you to the section where you can manage everything about your Telegram account. Inside Settings, you'll notice various options, but for this tutorial, pay attention to Privacy and Security. Click on that to open all your privacy-related features. Now scroll down a little until you find Bio. This is where Telegram lets you control who can see the text displayed under your profile name. When you click on Bio, you'll see several visibility options: Nobody, My Contacts, and Everybody. To make your bio visible to anyone who views your profile, simply choose Everybody. After selecting Everybody, your choice will instantly apply. There's no need to save or confirm. Telegram web updates your settings automatically. That means anyone, whether they're in your contacts or not, can now see your bio when they click on your profile.